Hello guys, this is Brad, and today my book, Kindle ebook, Say No To TSLA, TSLA, is free to download for 5 days from today. The Tesla stock is popular, but the price has been dropped $40 last week. And honestly, I don't think this stock will go up anymore because I have some rating already. Because this car fire keep breaking. Fire is breaking in this car again and again, and there is no reason to risk my life to ride the car. So people don't mention it, but it's just dangerous to ride this car, and that's one of the reason. And also you can always go to my site and download the book for free. Okay, leave a rating